Food colorants are another example of chemical additives that are routinely used in many food products. And as you might appreciate that food color is predominantly the very first attraction towards any food, and that is a major factor in deciding whether to purchase a food or not, based on if it has a desirable color or otherwise. So that's why making food colorful uh, would also mean that making food more acceptable, and they would increase the market value of food. So that is why there are a large number of food colors, and they are added into food for a variety of reasons. Sometimes it is to improve the color of food products, and sometimes we add color uh, to products which have lost some of the color due to the processing conditions. For example, if you have to process food at higher temperature or harsh condition, the natural color of food is lost. So in order to replace that natural color, um, the producer have to add certain colors. And in other cases, the color can also be used to augment the quality or appearance of some of the so they make, as I said, the food very desirable. If we talk about the different types of food color, they can be natural food color, they can be natural identical food colors, or they can be synthetic food colors. So talking them one by one, the natural colors are the pigments that have been derived from different natural sources. For example, these natural sources can be certain animals, they can be certain vegetables or plants, and they can also be certain minerals from which we extract these colors. And because they come from the natural sources, that's why they are classified as natural colors. Generally speaking, natural colors are very expensive, and that is why they are not very routinely used in many food products. Rather, they are used in specific food products. Some of the examples of natural colors, the other examples are, for example, this yellow color is obtained from annatto seeds. So it is extracted from seeds which are called as annatto. And green color is from chlorophyll that comes from any source of green vegetables or any other green crops. They can be extracted as chlorophyll and can be used as a natural color. Orange, it is obtained from orange peels as a carotene. So this is again a natural color. It is not only a color, but it has also got some of the nutritional importance as well. And because we produce a lot of oranges and they are commercially produced a lot of orange products, so it would be more easier to find natural orange colors because it would be more cheaper as compared to the other exotic natural colors. Similarly, we can produce brown color from sugars. As you know that once the sugars are heated, they undergo the process of caramelization. So during the burning of these sugars, there are certain products, they are brown in color. So we produce this caramel color or brown color from natural sugars. Red color is the source of red color can be beets or tomatoes as well. For example, we can extract lycopene from tomatoes or other compounds from beets as well. So they are the natural colors that can be added into food products. The second category of these colors is nature identical colors. So as the word suggests that they are nature identical, mean that they have got same chemistry as they have the natural compounds coming from natural sources. So they are identical, but they are not produced naturally. They are produced synthetically, chemically, but they have got the same structure of these colors as naturally present. So they are again synthetic, but they are counterpart of the material that have been generated from natural sources. Examples are we can have pure carotenoids, we can have apocarotinol, which gives orange red color, and then we have beta carotene, which gives yellow orange color. And as I said that These compounds, they have got nutritional implications as well, and they are produced commercially on a larger scale, and they would be not as expensive as natural food colors. The third category is the synthetic food colors. And the synthetic food colors, again, they have got two classes. They can be called as dyes or lakes. If we look at the difference between dyes and lakes, so dyes are generally water soluble, and they are available in the form of powders, granules, liquids, and liquid blends or paste. So if you look at any color which is in this form, and it is water soluble, it would be classified as dyes. Another class of artificial color is called as lakes, and they are again water soluble dyes, and they have got a substratum of aluminum hydrate or aluminum oxide on which they are basically attached, and then they have got uses in many food products. For example, they would be used in food product not having much water, because they have got other substrate, and they can be used in food products not having much of the water content. These products are fondant coatings. They could be icings or cakes, candies, especially hard candies or gums. So these products do not have a lot of water content, so we would use lakes in these products. And on the other hand, if we have got food products which are more liquid or have got more water percentage, they would be using dyes as a natural color. Some of the additives which are color additives, but they do not impart any color. They are not added to add any color. Rather, they would be reducing the color to undesirable to desirable. So these are the examples: are benzoyl peroxide, chlorine dioxide, nitrosyl chloride, or chlorine. They are generally used in food products to bring a desirable color. For example, in case of wheat processing, the end product is generally pale yellow, and if you use bleaching agents, so they would actually bleach the color and bring desirable white color into the final products. So they are not adding their own color, rather they are bleaching the undesirable color to a desirable shade. And similarly, we can have some other additives such as titanium dioxide. It is again a food color additive. The purpose of this food color is actually to impart desirable color. For example, in artificial cream or coffee whiteners, they would give white color if we add titanium dioxide. So it has got a function to improve the natural color present within these products, and it would make them more whiter. So this was some discussion about different food colors, their origins, their sources, their uses, and their different functions in food products.